Hello, friends. Good morning. It's been a while. It's been a while. Though some of you have contacted me trying to know how I'm doing, I really appreciate your concern. Okay, so I'm making this video for the same purpose to correct the misconception about forex. That so whenever I come online and see content creators claiming to be forex traders, it baffles me. Because whatever strategy you're using to trade cannot happen every day. Well, because if you are trading a lower time frame, like 1 minute, 5 minutes chart, you cannot be actually profit. You're not a robot, so you cannot be profitable. Because most profitable for you to be a human being trading forex, you have to actually your entry has to depend on the higher time frame, and the higher time frame market moves in cycle, so it's a waiting game. Do you understand? It's a waiting game. So you must have a setup you are trading, and you must actually follow a process to master that setup. Like like if you come here now, this is my this is my journal. This is where I have journaled my trades right from the beginning. All these trades are my trade setup. I have mastered it. I have journaled it. So whenever I see my setup, before it finish, you know, um, playing out, I know this is what is going to happen because I have mastered it over the years. This is my journal. Do you understand? This is the British pound chair. I took it here at this point. As we progress, I'll show you some of the traits. Yeah. So I just journal my these are screenshots. Okay, these are screenshots of my setups. I've just been after they play out, the ones that didn't play out. This is USD JPY. I took this trade at this point, and we took profit here at this point before the NFP took the price up. So this trade actually was on this trade what actually was on when let me see. This trade was on Thursday. And now by Friday morning it came out. So we closed the trade before the NFP took the price up. That was USD JPY. So over the years, we have been taking journals of our trade. So this is the effort you need to put as a forex trader. Because this is the USD JPY I was telling you about. This is when he took this trade on Thursday morning. Okay, then as at Friday morning it got to this point, and that's where that was when. So this is there. This is sorry, I'm taking you back. This is 4 hour time frame. Okay, that was the entry was based on daily time frame. It's 4 hour time frame. So as at Friday morning, we closed the trade in profit. Before you close, this was the NFP. Okay, you can see this is USD JPY. Let's go back to the entry point. Okay, this is USD JPY 10 trade. I'm on 10 trade prop firm. Okay, I will show you my account. You can copy me live. 10 trade offer copy trading. For those of you that want to be an investor, you don't have the time to trade. I will show you if you can contact me, I'll show you the process to copy my trade. All you need to do is to go and search for ASI FX. You see my performance. If you're okay with it, you copy the trade, and that's just it. And every month, whatever profit I make, a certain percentage should be charged from the account, from the profit. Okay, from your charge, you're going to be charged from the profit. So going back to where we were, USJPY was the Thursday trade. I got to this point. This was daily time frame. Okay, got to this point, and as a Friday, we took it. You closed the trade in good profits before the market went up. Okay, so now let's go back to. So as you can see, you keep the trades are based on the thing is they have to take your um, screen take a journal. It's a process. You have to take a journal. So after every trade, you go back and check where you made a mistake, where you so like what I trade. I take one. I am very consistent with the setup I take. Okay, so this was um this was gold trade. We took the trade here. That was I think was it. So that's just it. So what I'm trying to say, so you don't expect your setup to come out every day. It's possible that some weeks you might have it on different pairs, you know. That some weeks you might have it on different pairs. It's possible, but you cannot really make it looks easy the way people make it, you know. You cannot really make it look that easy. So that's what I'm saying. So what we trade, the setup I take, if you want to learn, you have to contact me. I'll put you through. But your mindset, whatever setup you are trading, you mustn't trade my setup. Okay, whatever trade you are trading, you must put in the hard work to have a journal. After every time, you come back and look at it. Where did I get it wrong? Do you understand? So that is just how to trade Forex. That is just how to trade Forex. It's not something you come up every day and say, okay, let's trade. Okay, let's trade. That means you are still at the beginner level. When you see content creators doing that, know that they are in the beginner level. They are not being truthful to you. Do you understand? You cannot trade Forex like that. Do you understand? Because whatever setup you have mastered over time, you have to wait for that circle to come back. Okay? You have to wait for that circle to come back. And there is this gold trade we took, I think last year. This gold trade here, we took it at this point. This gold trade, we took it at this point. Here. We took this gold trade at this point. It plays out to this point. Because it met all our requirements. When market gets you traced to this level, we took it at this point. And we close the trade here in profit. Do you understand? And we have to begin to look for other pairs that will come back to that circle. So it's not something, and you can see the entry, the setup is based on higher time frame. In short, our setup basically is based on daily and 4-hour time frame. So this doesn't happen every day. And most profitable trader, I can tell you that's the fact. Their setup is based on 4-hour daily, weekly, monthly time frame. And you cannot see that you have to wait for it. Do you understand? And that is where the experience comes in. That's where the mindset comes in. Do you understand? So now, what am I trying to say? Let me come back. Let me show you what I'm trying to say. Let me show you what I'm trying to say. Like now, sorry. So come here. Okay, let's come back to go. Let's come back here. Let's assume now, this is a daily chart. We took the trade based on this pattern. This is a structure. If you go through my channel, my videos, this is a structure. These are higher lows. These are higher lows. These are higher lows. And what happened? The daily time frame dropped. Mind you, in Forex, the way we trade, the way I teach my students, when the market is dropping, you don't just rush to hold it. It's like trying to hold a sharp knife falling. Do you understand? You don't hold it, let it fall. And when the sharp knife fall, then if your strategy is based on, this is where those buy traders take trades from here. When the market, the sharp knife finish falling, then if you are a buy trader, you find your entry at this point. But I'm not a buy trader. If you go through my trading journal, I only sell trades, very few buy trades. But now I've even cancelled it. I don't even take buy trades anymore because I know my psychology is solid on sell trades. So now look at this trade. Higher low, higher low, higher low. The structure broke on daily. Now what do? I wait. This is when I use my Fibonacci level and drag from here to here. I get my Fibonacci level now comes from top to bottom. This is what nobody. This is in short. This is just an expo for you. Then the retracement. This is where I trade. The retracement level is where I take my sell. So I took my sell at this point, based on price action I saw on 4 hour. Based on the price action I saw on 4 hour, my entry was based on that point. Okay, my entry was based on the price action here. entry was based on the price action here. So this is mastery. This is mastery. So whenever this thing happens on any pair, I take my trades. Okay? See, this is mastery, and this doesn't happen every morning. This doesn't happen every day. So it baffles me, and most times this is where a lot of traders go astray, following the wrong mentor. Following the wrong mentor will only delay your growth process. Do you understand? The truth is that what you need to do, what you just need to do is the basics in Forex. Once you know the basic, like look at this is just the basic in Forex. Market structure, higher low, higher low, higher low. The structure broke. When the structure broke, okay? What you need to do now is that this is what they call the market will retest. You retest level. When as you retracing, you use your Fibonacci to know the retest level. Now this is where you need to come in. When you Fibonacci, the essence of this Fibonacci indicator is that it's going to give you key levels the market is going to reverse. You get the point now. The Fibonacci indicator is going to give you the key level the market is going to reverse. So now all you need to come to a lower time frame, maybe 4 hours, maybe 1 hour, maybe 30 minutes, based on your experience. So when the market got to level 23.6, I began to see a rejection. And based on my experience, I knew that the market was going to reverse at this one, and I took my trade exactly at this point in gold. Exactly at this point in gold, I took my trade. Get the point? So that was it, and we took the profit here massively. Okay, yes. So that is just another trade we took that was good was Euro, New Zealand, AED, New Zealand. Let me play it out here. The same thing. You know, the same thing here. Look at it. This is a structure. This is a structure. It's a higher lows, higher low, higher lows. And the market suddenly crashed. Okay? The market broke the structure. Look at it, broke the structure. What you need to do was this. Sorry. You see, some of you are just this the base. All you need in Forex is the basics, and that's why they say Forex is an artwork. Is true. But all you need is the basics. Then you now begin to fix the puzzle yourself. Do you understand? That is when the back testing comes in. You fix the puzzle in yourself using the time frame combination. Do you understand? I have been able to fix the time frame combination that I understand. That's what I've been able to help me to have the consistency. So now, when the sharp knife falls, you allow it to fall. Then when you see the retracement, this retracement is where you're going to go to any time frame that fits your eye, you know. Go to any time that fits your eye and look at it here and take the sell trade. The Fibonacci has given the key reversal point. Then you look at and the lower time, you begin to look at the price action that fits your expertise and continue taking the sell trade. This trade, so you also took this trade at this point. Let me show you again. This is what I trade, and it's simple. I'm just giving you. Do you understand? I'm giving you. So if you are following me, you are just count yourself lucky. Okay. Now the market from this point, you can even take it from this point to this point. Sorry, from this point to this point. Market drop sharp knife again. It's a sharp knife. When you see market dropping, there's no need to jump in. Allow you to retrace. The market is retracing. Now use the FIBO indicator to get the key reversal point. It's going to show you the prices, the key reversal point, 23.6, 38.2. So when the market gets to this key reversal point and begins to give you a price action you understand, that is when you take a trade. Okay? It's simple. I don't see why it's struggle. So the market begins to retrace. Look at level 50. It rejected. You tested. You took this trade from here. It was as simple as that. It retested. Going back to that's double top. We took this straight from here, and we took a profit around here, and that was it. So when the market drops, like now, market has dropped again, right? Market has dropped again. You wait. Now you come back. You come back with with your with your FIBO indicator, right? You must know how to. This is where the rejection started, and it dropped, right? But it dropped. The FIBO level is going up. Look at the price. If this price action here at this point fits your experience, you take it. Somebody took a sell from 20. Someone took a sell from 38.2. Someone took a sell at 50. Someone took a sell based on your experience. So trading has to do with fixing the time frame that fits your price action. When they say price action has to do with what your eye can interpret. Do you understand? Some people are so experienced in just spotting one candle as a price action. Someone will say, "Oh, this is this." They give it a name. I call it just a rejection candle. I don't cram those names. Doji, these. I don't cram it. What I know, this is a rejection candle. This is a reversal candle. Yes. So someone spotted this candle at this point and say, "This is it. This is a reversal point." They took a sell and they made money. Do you understand? So you have to sit on the screen. It's just like being a pilot. Your airtime matters. On Forex, your screen time matters. There is no expo, but you have to have the basics using the higher time frame. Like what I do when I see market suddenly dropped, I leave it. When it begins to retrace, what I need to do, I begin to calculate the reversal point and begin to look at the price action that I like trading. I don't trade every price action. I took this price action because I understood it. I took this price action here because I understood it. I did not take this one because I did not understand it. I did not take this one here because I did not understand it. But these two made me money. Even in Euro New Zealand too. Let me show you. Euro New Zealand made me money too this month. Yeah. Look at. When the market crashed to this point, I waited for the reversal point. At this point, I understood the price action. We made money. At this point, the price action at this point was so clear. We made money. This is the signal I sent to my student. This point I made money. It was so clear. When the market reached to this level, we took profit. How was it? So you wait for the market to fall. The trace, man, that's when you use the FIBO point. A lot of people don't know how to use indicator, and most of you feel that you can learn on your own. There's no problem learning on your own, but you have to put in the hard work. But you're going to cut your journey short by finding a mentor. How do you use FIBO indicator? How do you use it? How do you use any moving average? My key indicator is moving average. I am an expert in moving average. In my trading account, you can see here on my 10 trade professional trading account, I'm using only 2 indicators, and I can interpret this indicator like no one else. I can interpret this moving average, this 2 moving average like no one else. So you see, so I only use FIBO indicator. This is it. You can see the FIBO indicator, Fibonacci indicator. This is it, okay. And the moving average indicator. Those are my 2. Some people use stochastic oscillator. They understand it. You don't need to complicate your chart with so many indicators. Even though you understand one indicator, you must use it. Do you understand? I understand moving average, these 2 moving average and my FIBO. That is my key tool in trading. Do you understand? And another thing I've mastered over the time is waiting. As a professional trader, you can consistently, like, look at this account I just started. I just started this account. I think it's in profit. If you want to copy the trades, you can go ahead. You can go ahead, and if you are already in profit, so you want to copy the account. It's $3,000 account. with 10 trade, I'm using 10 trade. You can go there, look for FIFX Capital. That's my company name. They have a copy trading section. You go there, you fund the account, you take the minimum of $100. You now copy my trades. Do you understand? So the little thing I stand to gain is every month from the profit I make, a little will be charged from the account to pay me. Do you understand? But I can tell you this: you won't blow your account. Do you understand? I advise you, if you're using 10 trade, for you to be able to withdraw your profit every day, every week, or whatever, try to fund a minimum of $100, in your account and copy my trades. So that's just it. That's just it. So account is in profit. But you see, one thing in trading is that you have to have the basics. You want to be a professional trader, you have to write the right mindset. Be careful of what you listen to. Be careful of who you are watching. Don't focus on on the system, not the money. Do you understand? Like what I've shown you here is just what you've been reading in all books. Do you understand? What I've shown you is what you have been reading in books. When you see, okay, example, now if you're looking at this trade now, market suddenly crashed. This was a retracement. You don't take every retracement. At the retracement, you're going to take a feeble level from top to bottom and begin to have what they call begin to look for a price action that give you the confirmation that market is going to reverse. That is when your screen time matters. Because if you have actually been looking at the screen, you are going to see a particular price action that interprets the market is going to reverse. Okay, you understand the point? Like when I saw this, let me show you something. Because this was a clear trade. Maybe if I will post the setup signal I sent out on this trade in this video. When the market was retracing to this point, I took a FIBO level to this point, indicator to this point, and I came back here. This was when the market came to this level. I took the trade because it was a price action I understood over time. I understood this price action like my name. So I just took it at the top here. If I because the signal was sent through my WhatsApp group, so it's not on my system. Maybe if I will send it here, so you see that I'm not just saying what I don't do. I'm saying it from experience. You took this straight from this point to this point. That was it. Okay. So what am I trying to say? You can read Forex. Forex is simple. You can go and Google for naked Forex. I have naked Forex. I can give it to you. Contact me, send it to you. Naked Forex. When you read it, whatever you see in naked Forex, that is Forex. The rest is on you to be able to fix the puzzle. What you've read in the theory, you begin to fix it up yourself. That's basically how I learned Forex. I read and I spent day and night trying to fix the puzzle, double top, double bottom, the price action, and I now came to have a system that works for me. And another thing that took me time is the psychology to wait for it to happen. It doesn't happen every day. So you can see on my chart, I put all the pairs. I put all the pairs on my charts. So every morning when I wake up, or every night before I sleep, I check them. Which one is going to give me, which one is playing out which one is moving towards my kind of setup. When I see it, I mark it and begin to monitor it on my phone. As I'm moving, I begin to monitor those pairs that is on my watch list. Do you understand? So that is just how it is. You don't follow mentor and say, okay, today let's trade, tomorrow let's trade. You're going to blow your account. That means your system cannot pull out every day. I don't know how to say this. So thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll be able to be dropping more videos. There is no need of me showing you again how to trade and how to do this. There is no need for that. There is no need, because it's the basics. It's just the basic. Do you understand? It's the basic. You get the point. So if the market is giving you this on daily, okay, you're seeing a structure like this on 4 hour, and suddenly the market crashed. Okay, so the market crashed. All you need to do, pick a FIBO indicator, drag it here, drag it from here to here. And what it's going to give you? It's going to give you the key level the market is going to reverse. The key level market is going to reverse. This is very simple. Forex is simple. Do you understand? So now, if the market is reversing, it might reverse at this point. Bam. Okay? It might reverse at this point and start going. Or it might say no. It might say no. You don't force the market. I like the what it's doing. It might say no and reverse at this point. You know? It might say no. And reverse at this point. You get the point? And say no and reverse at this point. Or you might still say no, I don't want to reverse. I want to continue going up. You might say no, I want to continue going up. And it goes up. You don't force it. But this is where, as a professional trader, you need to, in the lower time frame now, you begin to look at the price action that qualifies a reversal here. You begin to look at the price action that qualifies a reversal here. This is what we at AFI FX have mastered. We are reversal trade. We trade reversal strategy. We trade reversal strategy. That's why you look at our portfolio. All we are going to see is sell, 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 because you have mastered this over time. So all you need to do, if you want to trade on your own, some traders, this is what they do, based on what they have, mastered, based on what they have seen. As the market is falling, I call it a sharp knife. You don't hold it. They wait here. They have been able to master this. At this point is where they take their buy. And they already know the market, like take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. That's how some people trade. Professional buy traders. That's what they do. They don't want to rush. When the market is dropping as a sharp knife, they know they wait, but they put their level. They call it psychological level. At that level, the market begins to they take their buy trades. You get the point? But I am confident because this has really this entry gives me somehow we have been able to perfect this sell trades. So everybody have their ways. We are created differently by God. So this is where we have mastered. If you are good in taking buy trade at this point, then perfect your strength and begin to trade. So, but you cannot see this entry every day. Like I see some trade content creators do every day. Come in the morning and say, "Hey, let's trade." They are going to blow your account. Because market moves in cycle. Market moves in cycle. Out of 30 something pairs in a month, you see opportunity to trade 3 times. Good for you. Focus on that. In a month, see opportunity to trade 10 times. In a month, see once. That's how you keep your consistency. All right, now thanks for watching. I will try my best to be dropping more videos that will help those of you following me. If you want to copy my 10 trade trading, contact me. I'll show you. I'll guide you through how to copy the trade, how to monitor how the account is growing so that you want to copy. So thanks for watching. Next time, bye.